Kanban board, a detailed guide to understanding and usage. In today's dynamic work environments, effective project management and workflow management is crucial for organization.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprintzeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Success. Discover the power of the Kanban board, a popular tool that can significantly enhance productivity and streamline work processes. In this comprehensive guide, we will delve into the concept of Kanban, its historical roots, the key elements that constitute a Kanban board, different types, Kanban examples, the multitude of benefits it offers, and a step-by-step walkthrough on how to create and utilize a Kanban board successfully.
What is a Kanban board? A Kanban board is a visual tool used to manage work in progress in a lean or agile project management system. It typically consists of columns representing different stages of the workflow and cards representing individual tasks or work items. The board allows teams to track and prioritize work, identify bottlenecks, and promote collaboration and efficiency. The Kanban methodology in project management is closely related to the use of a Kanban board as a visual tool for implementing and managing the methodology. Likewise, the Kanban tool is digital software or application that helps teams manage and visualize their workflow using a Kanban board, facilitating task tracking, collaboration, and improving overall productivity. The history of Kanban boards. Kanban boards originated in the Toyota Production System (TPS) in the 1940s. They were developed to optimize inventory levels and improve productivity. Kanban, meaning visual signal in Japanese, uses cards to indicate the need for more inventory or parts based on actual demand. Kanban principles expanded beyond manufacturing and are now widely used in industries like software development and project management. Today, Kanban boards serve as visual project management tools, enhancing workflow visibility, promoting collaboration, and driving continuous improvement. Key elements of a Kanban board. Gain a comprehensive understanding of the fundamental components that constitute a Kanban board. Columns. Discover the significance of columns as representations of various workflow stages. Common column names include To Do, In Progress, Review, and Done, enabling teams to visualize the progression of tasks. Cards. Explore the versatility of cards or sticky notes, which symbolize individual tasks or work items. Each card contains vital information such as task descriptions, assignees, due dates, and other pertinent details. Cards move across columns to indicate task progress, fostering transparency and collaboration. Work in progress, WIP, limits. Unveil the importance of setting WIP limits, defining the maximum number of tasks permitted within each column simultaneously. By enforcing WIP limits, the Kanban board in teams can maintain focus, reduce multitasking, and mitigate bottlenecks. Visual indicators. Harness the power of visual indicators, such as color-coded labels or icons, to provide supplementary information or emphasize specific task attributes. Visual cues can prioritize tasks or signify their urgency, ensuring clarity and efficiency within the Kanban workflow. Types and examples of Kanban boards. Here are a range of Kanban board types, meticulously designed to cater to diverse needs and scenarios. Gain insights into Basic Kanban board. The most prevalent type of Kanban board, featuring columns representing workflow stages and cards representing tasks. Scrum board. An adaptable variation of the Kanban board that incorporates Scrum framework principles. Scrum boards encompass additional columns like backlog and sprint to track task progress within specific sprints. Personal Kanban board. Unleash the potential of personal Kanban boards for individual task management and priority setting. These boards often comprise columns like To Do, In Progress, and Done. Value Stream Mapping (VSM) board. Unlock the power of VSM boards, which focus on visualizing end-to-end process flows, encompassing both steps and the flow of information or materials. Kanban board example: visualize tasks and workflow with a Kanban board. Move sticky notes across columns to do, in progress, done, to track progress and improve team productivity. Benefits of Kanban boards. Take the below myriad advantages of integrating Kanban boards into your workflow. Visual clarity. Kanban boards offer a crystal-clear visual representation of tasks, facilitating easy comprehension of task status and identification of areas for improvement. Enhanced workflow efficiency. By visualizing work processes, teams can identify and eliminate waste, reduce cycle times, and optimize overall efficiency. Improved collaboration. Kanban boards foster transparency and collaboration among team members. With visibility into assigned tasks, progress updates, and responsible individuals, effective communication and teamwork are promoted. Flexibility and adaptability. Kanban boards empower teams to respond swiftly to changes. By updating the board accordingly, shifting priorities or emerging tasks can be accommodated seamlessly. Continuous improvement. Embrace the culture of continuous improvement fostered by Kanban. Analyzing workflow enables identification of areas for optimization, leading to ongoing enhancements over time.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprintzeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.